Well, and you're the driver instructor.
I am.
This occasion we're keeping this positioning a little bit more to the left. Yeah? What is this lady trying to do? Nothing. Slow down.
Be in the left lane.
Good move. She's off the bend. Keep going.
Oh, why did she just do that? Oh, no.
She's completely off the bend, isn't she? Let's see. We're gonna have a conversation there.
All I was saying getting the left lane, that's it.
We were in the left lane, we're straddling lanes.
We're in the right lane.
No, in between lanes.
Well, and you're the driver instructor.
I am.
You're supposed to be in
Lovely.
between lanes. You're
Exactly.
supposed to be in one fucking
When did you
lane.
learn to drive?
Don't learn to drive from him. If he's saying go in between lanes, you're supposed to be in one fucking lane.
No.
I've not done nothing wrong.
One more.
Take me. Oh, why?
You're doing 27.
Just wait. For God's sake.
Meet him at the roundabout. Oh,
Now we'll meet
traffic
at the
lights.
lights. Thank God. I hope you're happy.
I think
Get very far, did
he's
ya?
very happy. He feels the dominance in at this situation. Yeah. And what is this taxi doing? From the left lane?
Makes you
That's
wonder.
left turn only. No, we can't get
We're
out.
out
the
with
road.
all the idiots now.
Okay, now next roundabout you're going to be turning right for exit, please. Carry on. That was unnecessary, absolutely. To change.
Fucking hell.
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. That was amazing.
Look at him.
Now main set of traffic lights, turn right please. Look at it. He's gonna go through the red. No? Now really big question. How far did he get?